Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix Surfshark not connecting. Alright, so let's begin with the video. The first step is to restart the Surfshark application. Completely close the app instead of simply minimizing it. On a computer, exit Surfshark and make sure it is no longer running in the system tray or menu bar. On a mobile device, force close the app from the recent app screen. Wait a few seconds, then reopen Surfshark and try connecting again. Restarting the application refreshes the connection process and can resolve temporary issues that may be preventing the VPN from establishing a secure connection. If the problem continues, try switching to a different server location. Open the server list and select another location instead of the one you were previously using. In many cases, a specific server may be experiencing high traffic, temporary maintenance, or network issues. For the best results, choose a nearby location or use options such as nearest location or fastest server if they are available. Once you find a server that connects consistently, you can save it as a favorite for quicker access in the future. And that's it. So that's basically how you can fix Surfshark not connecting. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.